What is up, guys? So it is 4:44 in the morning right now. I'm just knocking this video out really quick. Right now, the account balance for the Robinhood 75 to 10,000 account is approximately $131 right now, I think. But anyways, two stocks that we are in right now are CEI, Cambria Energy, and KOS, which is Cosmos Energy. Both of these stocks, of which are in the fuel slash oil slash energy sector. So I have very good reason to believe that this is going to be a good day for these two stocks. My account initially ran up with the whole IDEX, Fuel Tech, and FCEL run. Just trying to knock this video out really quick, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens today, and I'll give you guys a better video later on. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.